and welcome back to the channel. Today I've got another great maths game for you so that your child or students can practice their knowledge of the facts of 10. If this is the first time you're here, my name is Mr. K. I'm an elementary primary school teacher, and this channel is geared towards learning or discussing activities that get the best learning outcomes for students. So if this is something that you might be interested in, please do me a favor and hit the subscribe button down below and hit that notifications bell so that anytime I load up new videos, you'll be aware of them. Now, we've got a bit to get through, so let's get things underway. Let's learn, share, and teach. Okay, today's maths game is actually called Making Tens. It's a card game where students get to practice and learn their facts of 10. Now, this variation of the game is primarily aimed at 5, 6, 7-year-olds, but if you've got a child that has higher or lower learning needs, stick around because after talking about how to play the game, we're going to talk about a couple of variations that you could possibly do to help those students. Anyway, let's get into how to play Making Tens. So, to get the game started, you need a deck of cards that have all the face cards taken out, like kings, jacks, queens, jokers, and also get the tens out of that pack as well. Then, to start the game, what you would do is you would deal the cards out to the players, 2 cards to each player, like so, and then 2 cards in the middle between the 2 players. Now, what each player has to do is they need to make tens by using the cards that they have. So example, let's start with me. I've got a 3 and a 3, and in the middle I can use these cards as well to combine them to make a 10. So 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 3 is 9, plus 1 is 10. So I can make a 10. So I claim all those cards and I keep them to the side, and they're my cards now. Then I get redealt new cards, and then the 2 middle cards are replaced. And then it is the next player's turn. Now this player here has a 7 and a 4. Now combining those 2 makes 11, so that's not a 10. They have a 7. Can they combine something with the 7 to make a 10? Yes, they can. They combine the 7 and the 3. But they can also combine the 4 and the 6 to make a 10. So they can claim all those cards. And then we go to the next round, which is 2 new cards for the previous player and 2 middle cards. Now it's my turn again. Now I've got a 2 and a 4. Can I make a 10 out of that? No, I can't. But can I make a 10 by using the cards in the middle here as well? Well, yes, I can. I can make a 8 and a 2. So I can do that and put those away. Now I can't make another 10 here, as you can see, so then it stops being my turn. I put down the card for myself, redeal, and then I put another one in the middle, and that's the next player's turn. Now this player has a 6 and a 1, that's 7. Can they use these 2 middle cards to make a 10? Yeah, well, actually they can because they've got a 6. So 2 plus 2 equals 4, plus 6 is 10, so they claim those cards. And once again, we redeal out to that player and then replace the middle cards. And the game continues on until you finish the deck of cards, and then the players count up how many cards they have got through the game, and the winner is the person who has the most cards. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this player, let's just have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, so the other player actually won. In regards to variations of this game, what you could possibly do is get the students to use different operations such as multiplication. Another thing that you could do is increase the target number that they're trying to attain and possibly get them to draw extra cards. If you've got another variation in this game, please do us a favor and put it in the comments in the video. That would be greatly appreciated by everyone, I'm sure. Beyond that, stick around to the very end of the video because I'm going to share with you a link to my playlist of maths games, because you might not have found what you're looking for with this video, but I'm pretty sure in that playlist you'll find something that will definitely suit your students. Excellent. Thanks very much for tuning in today. I'll see you next time. Bye! Thanks for watching one of my videos. If you've enjoyed the content or you just want to show your support, please just click the subscribe button down below. You hitting the subscribe button lets me know that you'd like to see more content from me. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Subscribe.